Every time you open a new tab in Google Chrome, you're greeted with a collection of website shortcuts. While some people like having quick access to their favorite sites, others prefer a cleaner homepage or want complete control over which shortcuts appear. In this video, I'll show you how to customize or completely disable shortcuts on the Chrome New Tab page. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. In the bottom right corner, click the Customize Chrome button represented by the pencil icon. A customization panel will open on the side of the screen. Find the Shortcuts section. Here you'll find three different options. The first is Most Visited Sites, which automatically displays the websites you visit most often. The second is My Shortcuts, which lets you manually choose exactly which websites appear on the new tab page. This is a great option if you want quick access to work tools, productivity apps, or your favorite websites instead of Chrome deciding for you. If you'd rather have a completely clean new tab page, simply turn off Show Shortcuts. The shortcut icons will disappear immediately, giving you a much more minimal browsing experience. Feel free to switch between these options whenever your preferences change. Whether you want automatic suggestions, a personalized collection of links, or no shortcuts at all, Chrome makes it easy to tailor the new tab page to your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully customized the shortcuts on the Google Chrome New Tab page. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser customization guides, productivity tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.